Hello, Relevant Buildings team. This is just meant to be a quick overview of the new updated models or structures post type. You can see here this is on a staging URL, not the live site, before we move it to the live site. I'd like you to just take a look at it, make sure we've got everything ready to go so that there are no surprises once we push it to live. So first thing is, I want to remind you that you guys are going to be doing the content load on this. We've only got the one item loaded here, and even as it is, we've gone a little over on hours. I think we told you 8 to 10 hours, and we're at over 13 right now. So let me know if you want anything else from us, but also know that we have exceeded the budget. You can see this looks pretty much exactly like the mock-up we provided. This pricing button will always just automatically be loaded on the post, and it will take them directly to the new price list table, which you can see here. It hasn't been fully filled out, but that's simple enough. You can come to and again, I'll make you full training videos on this once we're ready to go. I just don't like to make the training video until we know exactly how things look, so things don't change from the training video to when we actually do it. But anyway, you can see right here is the model pricing table. You can click into that, and you can just fill this out with the numbers as needed to fill out, what shows here on the front end. I'll make a video on that. For the gallery here, that is also really easy now. You can see here that even though this one is really wide, and then you've got some that are different shapes, it's going to just automatically fit them all in here. So for that, there's just this structure gallery tool. Come right here and say add to gallery, and you can load in whatever it is that you want. So here we've got one that's tall. We'll go ahead and add that. We'll hit update. And then here on the front end, let's refresh. And here you can see it shrunk it to match the height, and even though it's a much different proportion, it fits into the strip gallery appearance really nicely. You can click it and you can get a lightbox view, a larger view of the image there. And then down here we have the features, which you can scroll through. I went ahead and put all 7 on here. You are going to need to, come up with some text for these, unless you want to have us work on that. We definitely can, but I'm assuming you guys are going to go ahead and do that. The nice thing about this is these are created as a separate item called features, of course. And so you build these out separately. And the nice thing about that is that, once you have these loaded on the site, you only have to edit it in one place. So if the text changes for modern details, you can come in here and just change it in one place, and it will update on all of the posts that you've used it on. The other thing that's nice is that then here, and there's just again, I'll make you a more extensive training video on this, but there's just a title here, a field for text, and then the image upload right here. On the item itself, then you can just come here and you can load whichever ones you want. So if we don't want space saving on here, we just hit minus, and it moves over to here, so it shows you which ones are not in use and which ones are in use. And you can just easily move them back and forth so that you're using all of them. The rest of these are pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, there's a headline right here, or this headline at the very top of the page. Bedroom and bathroom fields, all you have to do is put in the number. It will automatically add the word bedroom and the icon. Same with the square footage, so you only need to put in the number and it's going to add the square feet. This is automatically pulled in from the name of the model. This full build starting from is this price field right here, and if you put nothing in it, this whole thing disappears. So the full build starting from text is added, and if you empty this field out, this whole line will just disappear. And then we have, of course, the image and the PDF for this. So, you can see what it looks like kind of in a general sense. I know this isn't the right image. You have a simpler one. That's fine. I can show you again how to swap that out. You click it, it opens the PDF in a new tab. Close that, and you're back here. Yeah, I would really like to have you guys check this all out. Let me know if there are any adjustments or if we should go ahead and push this to the live site and get you some training videos on how to load all of this content. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.